Per Inside EVs, Kia's EV9 is now American-built, qualifying it for up to $7,500 in tax credits. Kia's West Point, Georgia plant is operational, avoiding delays seen in other EV factories. This makes the EV9 one of the few American-made three-row electric SUVs, alongside the Rivian R1S and Tesla Model X. The EV9 is available in 5 trims with 6 or 7-seat configurations. It offers 2 battery options, a 76.1 kWh battery with 230 miles of range, and a 99.8 kWh battery providing up to 304 miles. Prices start at $54,900 for the base model and go up to $73,900 for the GT-Line AWD. Kia plans to initially qualify for partial tax credits, with full credits expected in 2025 when local battery plants go alive. The West Point plant also manufactures the Telluride, Sorento and the Sportage SUVs, with a capacity of 350,000 units annually. Investments in Georgia's clean energy projects total $18 billion, creating 11,000 jobs. You are listening to UON News.